Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to ping a host in Java. Ping is useful for determining whether a host is up and running on the network. For example, you can test if the server host is up before trying to connect. It's a little bit tricky to ping a host in Java. Probably you might take a look at the inet address class, and there you can find this reachable method. This method takes as parameter an integer that represents a timeout, that is the time in milliseconds before the call aborts. Here I'm trying to ping google.com hostname. Let's see if it works. First, let's test using the ping command. Ping google.com. It's working fine. The host is reachable. Now let's see if we get the same result from our application. We get false. That means the isReachable method does not return the correct value. Here is the tricky part. This method might work on a Linux system if you run the application as root. If you are using Windows operating system, you cannot use isReachable method to find out that a host is reachable or not. So we have to find another way to ping a host. The process class allows you to execute operating system commands in a subprocess as if you were to execute them in the command line. You can read the output of your command using an input reader. So we can use the process class to ping a remote host. Here we get a process object by calling the exec method. The method takes as parameter an operating system command. In our case, the command is ping followed by the host address. The getRuntime method returns the runtime object associated with the current Java application. Then we can use the getInputStream method to get an input stream, and we wrap the input stream in a buffered reader. Here I'm using readLine method to read the output of the ping command. Let's run the code. And we get the same output as here. Now uncomment these lines. Hide the command output. So if the command output contains destination host unreachable, set isReachable to false and break. The initial value of isReachable is true, so if the destination host unreachable is not found in the command output, the variable will remain true. And down here I'm gonna print host is reachable if the isReachable is true, otherwise print host is not reachable. Run again. And this time we get the correct information. Let's try with an unreachable IP address. In my case, 192.168.0.123. Run. Bingo, the host is not reachable.